but we're testing at 450, and I like to get up close and personal. It's really breezy. Gusty. Really gusty. You guys can see the tree over there, but it's quite challenging actually against these gusts. Northern Irish, you know, terrible gusts. The tail's holding, I guess, and doing wonderfully. It's double bladed, so yes, the tracking does need to be fixed. I am also working with a mechanical pitch gauge, so the pitch might be off several degrees. But it is double bladed, so yes, I will have to adjust the tracking. But I really like to get up close and personal like this, but it's really gusty. So I gotta keep in mind that the gust might kick it into my face, which wouldn't be a good thing. Look at him gusting. Crazy. It is doing fabulous, except for that blade double blading. So that is a successful test. I like to get up close and personal. Again, I like to warn you guys that if you're a novice, don't be doing that. Stay far in the distance away from your helicopter, because these things will injure you really badly, and maybe even be fatal, you know, kill you. So always be safe, and but it is good to get up close, and especially with a camera you can slow it down and see what kind of vibrations are taking place and what's going on with your helicopter. You want it adjusted smooth and perfect, everything balanced out. I can tell that I have to do the CG, the center of gravity, on these blades. Possibly one of these blades are splitting, and that's why you're getting those wafting noises. There's a split there, but that double blading, I need to adjust the tracking and possibly the pitch to even them up, but everything's looking really good. So I'll let you guys go. Take it easy. This is Zyklon with Zyklon Drone Solutions, checking out with the 450. Adios amigos.